Bonjour, mes amis. Are you ready to test your French vocabulary? Today, we're playing the French word challenge. Let's see how many words you can guess. I'll give you a clue in English, and you have 5 seconds to guess the French word. Round 1, everyday words. This is something you drink in the morning. It's black, and some people add sugar or milk. What's the French word? The correct word is le café. Say it with me, le café. Round 2, things you see in a city.
This is a place where trains stop and people buy tickets. What's the French word?
The correct word is la gare. Repeat after me, la gare. Round 3, food and drinks.
This is something you eat in the morning. It's buttery, flaky, and shaped like a crescent. What's the French word?
The correct word is le croissant. Everyone loves le croissant, right? Round 4, clothing.
You wear this on your head when it's sunny. What's the French word?
The correct word is le chapeau. Say it with me, le chapeau. Round 5, animals.
This is a pet that loves to purr and chase mice. What's the French word?
The correct word is le chat. Repeat, le chat. Et voilà! How many words did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you had fun and subscribe for more exciting French challenges. À bientôt, mes amis!